big. I can believe those tires so how wide they are, the front tires.
Yeah. I didn't have to buy one of them.
Yeah.
First step one, just start and buy a tire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was bow hunting quite a bit lately, and gun season comes in Saturday, next Saturday, so I'll be on gun hunting. I think we're going to slide our guns in tomorrow and get them all ready.
Yeah. You guys still live down by Greensburg?
I was in Newcastle. Yeah. Like 15 minutes.
Was your dad living in Greensburg? One time I worked in there.
He worked at the Delta Faucet in Greensburg. Yeah. And then he actually quit there and he runs the carpet and air ducting business and by himself. Yeah. That's pretty good. He likes it a lot better than sitting in the office all day.
Yeah. I can handle it. I guess some people like it.
Yeah. I like this kind of work right here. This is neat here. I like this. I never got a chance to ride up to Grandpa in this combine.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I didn't have my driver's license. I just got my driver's license in May.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So he was so busy, I could never get down and ride with him.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't think any of you guys were much interested as far as the way you always talk.
Yeah. I am. I'd like to do it someday, but
one of the reasons why your grandpa was quitting was tired of, not having
yeah.
help.
Yeah. If I was a little bit older, I could have, but I mean, I was little, I couldn't really do that.
Right.
We need fattening and hay and stuff, like sand and make and all that stuff.
Yeah. Something square bale any?
No, not square bale. No. Yeah. Round bale, I've round bale with them every year for a long time.